Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
The short English podcast where you listen, repeat, and speak more naturally.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Noah.
Today, we're talking about the art of not overthinking.
Very useful, because my brain sometimes opens 15 tabs at once.
Same here.
One tab says, "What if?" Another says, "Why did I say that?"
And another tab is still loading from 3 years ago.
Exactly. Overthinking is like chewing old gum.
The flavor is gone, but the mind keeps chewing.
It keeps saying, "What if this happens?" and "What if that happens?"
But most thoughts are not facts.
They are more like weather.
A thought can look serious, but it may just be a passing cloud.
A passing cloud wearing a business suit.
Very official, but still just a cloud.
So instead of believing every thought, we can notice it.
We can say, okay, this is a thought.
Not, "This is the truth and I must panic immediately."
That pause is powerful.
It brings us back to the present moment.
Notice your breath, your body, your hands, or the room around you.
The mind may travel to 2035, but the body is still here, holding tea.
I get that.
And when a thought comes, we don't need to fight it.
If you fight a thought, it gets a microphone.
If you watch it calmly, it slowly loses power.
That is a funny way to say it.
Exactly. The thought becomes weaker when we stop feeding it.
Overthinking also wants perfect answers.
But life usually gives good enough for now.
A useful decision rule is 40 to 70.
Don't decide with almost no information, but don't wait for perfect certainty.
Waiting for perfect clarity can feel like waiting for a bus that retired in 1998.
So sometimes we take one small, real step.
Wash the plate, send the message, write one sentence, or take a short walk.
Action can turn off the mental washing machine.
Now let's practice some useful sentences for not overthinking.
Listen, shadow the lines, and speak them out loud.
I do not need to believe every thought.
This is only a thought, not a fact.
I can pause before I react.
One calm breath can create space.
I am coming back to the present moment.
My body is here, even if my mind is racing.
I can notice the thought without fighting it.
I do not need a perfect answer right now.
Good enough for now is enough to begin.
I can take one small, real step.
Action helps me get out of my head.
I can decide when I have enough information.
I will not wait for 100% certainty.
I can respond slowly and clearly.
This moment is simpler than my thoughts.
Great work today!
Do not try to memorize every line.
Just listen again and let the phrases become familiar.
Speak out loud, even if your voice feels small at first.
Small practice becomes natural speech over time.
When the mind starts chewing old gum, smile and come back.
Whew. One breath, one sentence, one small step.
See you in the next lesson.